I just had to cheat and start with my favorite place. I love this backyard. Whether you're resting by the fire or playing basketball, who wouldn't love this area? Okay, come on in. Let's take a tour. I cannot say enough wonderful things about Braddock's Place. This is the neighborhood we raised our kids in. We would come down and swim in the pool. We'd walk down to Bradley Chocolates. You can walk over to West Valley Middle School. It is so close to everything, but yet it's really quiet and private. And it still has a very active neighborhood where you know your neighbors, and that's hard to find. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm Caroline Badgett, the agent who cares.